Popularly referred to as the essential vitamin, vitamin D is an essential vitamin your body needs for optimal health. It's been covered extensively in the news recently due to its connection with bolstering the immune system to reduce the risk of or weakening symptoms of COVID-19. But there's more that this fat soluble vitamin does for your body. Vitamin D is important for muscles, heart, and lung functioning, says Nicolai Avena, PhD and Assistant Professor of Neuroscience at the Mount Sinai School of Medicine in New York City. But the benefits vitamin D is most known for is supporting your body's absorption of calcium. One of the major roles vitamin D plays is to help maximize the absorption and utilization of calcium, which is an important mineral for our skeletal system and teeth, says Dr. Avena. If you don't receive adequate levels of vitamin D each day, it can lead to increased susceptibility to infection, fatigue, back pain, and even impaired wound healing, according to Dr. Avena. Today, we'll talk about some of the amazing benefits of vitamin D according to experts. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn the notifications on. Number 1. It strengthens the immune system. Exactly how vitamin D plays a role in supporting our immune system is a hot topic in research right now, says McGrain. But there's no doubt there's a connection. Dr. Avena says studies suggest taking 1200 IU of vitamin D per day over a 4-month period during the winter season reduces the risk of contracting the flu. Vitamin D allows our immune system to work efficiently towards of sickness. Number 2. It supports bone health. Vitamin D is essential for the absorption of two very important minerals, calcium and phosphate, both of which are vital for bone health. Dr. Avena and McGrain both say that without enough vitamin D, the bones can begin to soften, making them fragile and more prone to break. Number 3. It improves mental health. A growing body of research has shown a relationship between vitamin D deficiency and the risk of anxiety and depression, says McGrain. In several studies, providing vitamin D supplementation to deficient individuals significantly improved symptoms of anxiety and depression. Number 4. It may stave off the development of allergic diseases in babies. Dr. Avena says that low vitamin D levels are associated with an increased risk of allergic conditions and diseases, including asthma and eczema in babies. However, research suggests that whether vitamin D actually prevents asthma and allergies during the prenatal window and early stages of life remains controversial. Vitamin D may also help kids and adults currently living with asthma. A review of several clinical trials published in the medical science journal Curious found that vitamin D supplementation may be helpful in the management of asthma in addition to an inhaler and any other necessary medications. Number 5. It may help to promote a healthy pregnancy. According to a study published in the International Journal of Clinical and Experimental Medicine, it was found that vitamin D3 levels were starkly different in healthy pregnant women compared with those who had preeclampsia and eclampsia. Preeclampsia only occurs during pregnancy and it causes the mother to have high blood pressure and may be indicative of damage to the liver or kidneys. Eclampsia is characterized by the onset of seizures in pregnant women who have preeclampsia. Healthy women had statistically significant higher vitamin D levels than women who had preeclampsia and eclampsia.